playing It Takes Two, and then we found a glitch.
Really?
Yeah, look at me, I'm floating. And I can go to Rose. Look, I'll show you.
I see you up. Where's my controller?
Wait, guys. Oh no. Oh, never mind. Why am I saying that?
Where's my controller? Oops, I pressed it. Where are you?
I found Rose.
Hello, Rose. Si Cody. I want to go up. I want to go up. I want to go up there. Ang glitch kay May lang eh, no?
Rose, what are you writing?
Kita ko yung ulo niya. What's that? It's creepy.
No, it's not. This is. What's that?
Can you show yung bumalik ka dun sa unang level?
Ew, I'm touching it.
Yung bumalik ka sa unang level.
Unang likod. Okay. Dito.
Napunta ka na dun sa dog, sa rat, sa...
This is Kagami.
Hindi, nakakawo ka nga eh.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
When you try to fall. Try to fall down. Boom! It's funny. Alam ko na. Later, let's try to video how you got there. Okay? Okay. Sige, bye!
Hi guys, we found another glitch.
Glitch! Another one! Can you show?
Look, the stream. You know this? Yung
Nakasilip ka?
nakasilip.
You show kung saan ka, nasaan ka. Pakita mo yung dark. Diba kasi, ayan o.
Room. And this is the clouds. And I don't know.
Nasaan yung window ng room ni Rose?
No.
Oh, no! Oh yeah, you just got there. Pwede ka bumalik kay Rose. Galing dyan, tapos naka fidget spinner. Dun yung room ni Rose, di ba? Be careful, don't die. Yan o. Balik ka lang. Oh my goodness, be careful na baby.
That's spinning now. No.
No! Where will you spawn? Yay!
Yay!
Punta ka sa room ni Rose. Dali. Kanina si May yung nasa room ni Rose. Ngayon nandyan. Ikaw naman. Be careful. Yes. Yan. Pabalik.
It's
Si Rose. Punta ka sa room ni Rose. Kasi doon ka lang. Be careful. Oh, di ba? Si Cody tsaka si May nasa room na ni Rose. Dapat respond ka si May dun sa dati. Sige, go. Yay! Finally! Finally! We figured it out. Let's sama. Pupuntahan ni May yan. Yay! We're going to go there. We're going to go there. Kasi, di ba? Atis. Inaayos lang. Bye! Where? Okay? Be careful, don't die. Si May ay nasa glitch na rin. Si Cody, saan?
ayun.
Let me see your view. You're here. You're back sa Rose room. Ayun si Rose. Cassie is happy. Be careful, ate.
Can I just fly?
I think so, yeah. Cassie?
What if I go up?
Sige, try it.
Go in?
You try up. Uy, pwede ka pumatong doon. This is better than what we watch. You're so high.
Where?
Wait. Ayun, doon si Cody. Oh, yeah. Sundan mo si Cody. Yeah, be careful. Magre-respond ka doon na naman sa ano. You're so high.
Where am I?
Sa room. Ay, dyan yung window. Ay, silip ka sa window.
Ayun!
Be careful, ah. Op, drop muna, drop. Okay? And then, go sa other. Whoa, you're outside.
And I just need to do an obstacle.
Yan, down.
Down.
Yun! Galing. Magkikita na sila sa kasama na si Cody tsaka si May sa room ni Rose. Oh,
No.
be careful. No, don't respond. Okay.
I'm not good at this.
You are? You're so good, baby. Ayan.
Are you
Or-
serious?
Okay. Pati ba naman dyan? Nag-fidget spinner ka pa. Ayan na. Where is Cody? Oh, be careful! Nasaan si Daddy? Let's show Daddy. Finally! I'm there! I'm gonna play, Cassie.
Oh, I thought I...
Sama tayo sa... Oo, Cassie! Kinuha ni Daddy yung cellphone ko! Ayun, magkasama na si May at Cody. Magkasama na sila. Anong tingnan mo, Cassie? Ha? Hello, Cassie? Hello. Happy si Cassie. You watch May and Cody. You watch them. Yan. Tapos paiyakin nyo. Si Rose. No, we have a glitch with fidget spinner. No, kasi. Sige nga. Control Cody and sama sila sa bed. Ay, pinupuntahan mo si Cody. Let's show this. We have a glitch. Hello, Cody. Where's our anak? Our anak is Rose over there. This is my anak. Oy, Kasi. Bababa na siya. Bye. What did you say?
Hi, happy...
Huh?
Happy... Rafa and Cassie, happy family.
Ew, what's that? Zoom in natin. Daming basura. Okay. And guys, we are in Rose's room with a fidget spinner.
And that Cassie's healthy.
Let's see Rose's brain.
Ayun. That's not brain, that's mouth.
Oh yeah. Weird. So, Rose, can you see us? Turn us back, please. Turn us back. We're your parents. Please. Help. I'm here. I'm gonna run. Oops.
That's her.
What are you writing? Can you read it? Ito yung mga di ba, messages na hinahanap natin. Ito yung sinusulat niya, di ba? Yung letter niya sa parents niya. Oh, Daddy's here. Hello, Daddy.
Daddy,
Look. We
Yes,
finally got it. The glitch.
the glitch. Yay.
Figured it out. Hello, Cassie. Bye. Guys, what are you doing? May fidget spinner kayo. Bakit di nyo gamitin?
Wait.
What?
Ano bang goal nyo dalawa?
Nakapalik dun sa isang stage. Yay! Ayan.
No! Eh.
Why?
ako narito kanina.
Oo. Pagka na-dead, diretso ulit sa baba. Kung saan-saan na napunta, oh. Kung ano-ano na yung na-explore.
I go sa class.
Iwan ba talaga tayo sa classroom?
Oo.
Na-stage talaga yan.
Mm-mm. Yung ano, may mga plus, memory game.
Oo.
Nasa heaven ka na niyan.
I'm in the class.
Matay ako.
Yeah. Namatay, balik ka dun sa ano.
Ito. Ano?
You're trapped. Go! Saan pupunta, daddy? Ayo, ano?
Ayun, layo ka na.
Kasi nakakagalaw na pupuntahan mo? Makapunta ka ibang world?
Ano?
Bakit? Hala.
Nagaglam na ako, Rafa. Help
Oo
me.
nga, no.
Help me.
Hala.
Hindi ko na alam paano bumalik.
Kasi di ka namamatay?
Hindi ako namamatay.
Punta ka sa ibang world.
Paano?
Hindi ko alam.
Just
Hello, bye. I'm not falling.
Saan pa pwede mong puntahan?
itchy.
Tingnan mo.
My dad.
Explore ka pa, ikot ka pa.
Nakikita ko na yung mundo. I'm going down.
Baba. Ay, oo nga, tuloy-tuloy, oh.
Oo, tuloy-tuloy. Lumiliit eh.
Bye, world. Bye. Anong gagawin mo dyan? Di mo na lalong abot yan.
Kaya nga.
Wawa ka naman. Bye. You try to fly. Kaya? Fidget spinner ka nga. Yung jump tas circle, yung bababak sa mabilis.
Ganyan ah. Ganyan.
Bagal din eh,
Bagal
no?
na.
Galing eh, no? Bye.
Lumababa ako. Lumiliit eh.
Oo nga eh.
Wala pa.
Galing dyan eh, no? Galing may mag-develop ng game eh, no?
What happened? You're there.
O sige, punta mo nga ako. I think this is a great hiding spot.
But it's a dying hiding spot.
Si Rafa, gano'n ako. Oh, boom!
Babalik ka dun sa ano.
Hindi rin siya namamatay.
Hindi rin ano, wala na. Tapos na yung time na mamamatay.
Hindi. Patay ka na daw eh.
Press S, R3.
Ako?
Oo. Ayun, doon layo.
Not this.
You can have.
I'm tired na videoing.
Wala na.
Bye.